Is your aloe turning yellow? Aloe is nearly impossible to kill, so if yours is struggling, it's usually not neglect. It's the opposite, too much care given the wrong way. Here are the 3 real reasons and how to fix each one. Reason 1. Overwatering and drainage. The most common cause is overwatering, often made worse by the wrong soil. Aloe stores water in its leaves and survives on rain that comes rarely. Water it too often or use soil that stays wet and the roots sit soggy and start to rot, turning leaves pale, then yellow, usually from the bottom. Watch for mushy or translucent leaves or a pot that stays heavy days after watering. The fix? Stop watering and let the soil dry out completely. Push a finger 2 to 3 inches in, and if it's damp, wait. Use a fast-draining cactus mix or add coarse sand or perlite to regular soil. If roots look black and mushy or smell bad, that's root rot. Remove the plant, trim away damaged roots, let them air dry a day, then repot in fresh, dry soil. Reason 2. Too much direct sun. Moving aloe outdoors or into a sunny window too fast can sunburn it, just like our skin. You'll see yellow or brown patches on one side, sometimes with crispy tips. The fix? Bright, indirect light. Morning sun is gentler than harsh afternoon sun. If you want more direct light, introduce it gradually, over a week or 2. Reason 3. Over-fertilizing. It's tempting to think more feeding means more green, but aloe is a light feeder that naturally grows in poor, sandy soil. Too much fertilizer builds up salts that block water absorption. Look for yellowing with no watering issues, crispy edges, or a white, crusty layer on the soil. The fix? Flush the soil with clean water, skip fertilizer in winter, and in spring and summer, feed lightly, half strength, once every 4 to 6 weeks at most. Recovery timeline. Mild stress usually improves in 2 to 3 weeks. Root rot takes 4 to 6, since roots rebuild first. The damaged leaves may never fully green again. What matters is new growth from the center. Firm, deep green growth means it's recovering. To prevent this, water only when soil is fully dry. Use a pot with drainage holes. Introduce sun gradually, and go easy on fertilizer. If this helped, hit subscribe. I share tested gardening advice every week. Which reason matched your aloe? Let me know below.